Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy NFT on KuCoin's NFT marketplace. So I just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in, and I will just move in my marketplace, and from here I will just in the search bar I will just type on NFT. So I will just tap on NFT. So I want to buy it. So here is the graph and here is the price. You will see I will just tap to buy. So from here I will just select the network of TRX, and from here I will just select the quantity like 50% or 1. So from here I will just tap to 10 or 100 quantity of NFT, and here is the amount in TRX, and you will see you can buy it from here. And if you want to uh, buy in USDT, so you can also search in spot. Just tap to search for NFT in USDT. So just tap on it and then select the quantity 50% of like one NFT. So here is the price, you will see 0.1 USDT. If you want to buy 100 or like this, so there is a low of this NFT price, you will see very low. So you can buy in 6.29 USDT of like this 1 lakhs NFT. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.